See if you can get a little bit of a dip. I like that. I got to see them jump back up, though. Long on the Nasdaq, looking for upside targets back through the highs. I got a pretty bad fill, though. All right, I'll give it one more here, but if it doesn't want to jump up from this point, then I'm not going to give it a whole lot more room. Hey, there you go. It's got to go a little further up, though. Tried to get the first target there, didn't get filled. First target off. Second target, now that our average is so good, the target's just going to be as high as we can get the market to go. This is a whippy-dippy market, but I'm looking for that high breakout, right? I want to see them get above that high a day. So I'm going to try to hang on to it for as much as I can. And I will attempt to be as extraordinarily patient as possible with these moves. Get that break above the highs. There we go, break above the highs, stop is in. Taken out on the stop. Beautiful run to the upside. Now, if you've got more contracts and you're looking for that break of the high of day, which we just got, what I'm saying, the reason why I put more emphasis on that, we got the break of the high of day, that's where I wanted my target. But the big thing next is going to be those much larger objectives if you want to try to hold on for a swing, right? That's when you start getting those moves up into the 12,500s, right? You might be able to hang on to one of them.